Hi, I'm Joy Hay.
And I'm Corey Hay.
And we actually just moved here from Maryland. And it's funny how I was really willing to walk away from this house because it was so outdated.
Very much, yes.
The kitchen was just awful. And I even said, in the bathrooms, it was awful as well. And I was like, I don't think I could do this. But
I convinced her everything was in the budget to go ahead and purchase the house. We love the area. We love the school systems. Beautiful, close by the water. Had the pool that the kids wanted. So went ahead and moved forward knowing that we would eventually upgrade the kitchens and the bathrooms.
So, okay, even before we moved in here, we purchased the house and it took like, a month or so to actually move in. And I was like, okay, I got to start looking for people now. And I actually sent the email to 𝘉𝘈𝘛𝘏, I want to say like 2 weeks before we moved in. And I knew like because of COVID, like everyone was getting stuff done. So we haven't even moved into the house yet. And I'm like, yes, let's have an appointment at this time and this day. And I believe it was 𝘒𝘐𝘛𝘏 that responded in the email and, gave us the time frame. And I think we might have been here for like maybe a week. And then the appointment, for him came. But we actually had other folks come through to look and they just wasn't giving me anything. Like, it was just like, oh, you want to do this? I don't know. I just felt like they didn't have any ideas. And I'm just like, I didn't feel confident in using them.
Yeah, I think what attracted us to 𝘉𝘈𝘛𝘏 was the moment Hakan and Hassan showed up, they started with ideas of what they could do instead of the previous contractors who came out and were asking us, what do you want done? What's your budget? They immediately said, well, we could do this and we could do that and we could move this here. And the ideas were pretty much on board with what we wanted to do to begin with. So
and things we didn't even think of, things that we did not think of at all.
Right.
It was like, oh, we can do this. I'm like, oh, that's a good idea.
Right.
Had no idea we can do that, but yes. So the workers were amazing. When they came in, it was kind of funny. It was like this whole sheet of protectant that was over, or so it wouldn't touch our furniture in the bedroom. So it was like, okay, it was like this sheet that was protected. So it wasn't a lot of dust. There wasn't a lot of, things didn't get dirty. The workers were very good with having masks on. Every time that I entered a room, if I had to get to something, they had their mask on. So I felt very safe. I know I felt safe.
Definitely felt safe. They were always mindful of their workspace, made sure they cleaned up after they finished. When they showed up, they put the tarps up, they covered everything, wiped down anything that, might have gotten a little dust on it. They were always respectful of our space. They were always mindful of the time, not staying too late, not coming too early, or not showing up too late.
Yeah, and if something happened, it was always a phone call like, hey, if they couldn't make it a certain day, very courteous. Oh, I would definitely recommend 𝘉𝘈𝘛𝘏 to my family and friends. Actually,
we already have.
Right.
We already have. We've been showing photos and videos of the kitchen and the bathroom, and people are already asking who did the work.
Who did your kitchen? Who did your bathroom? Oh my gosh.
So we're already sending them the websites and the phone numbers to give them a call.
Yes.
And we will be using them again for sure.
Yeah, we definitely have other projects within the home for it to actually feel like home. But so far, with the kitchen and our bathroom, we definitely feel more at home.
They've done an amazing job.